We all want to expand our business, improve our bottom line, raise our reputation in the marketplace. But right now, with tightening qualifying criteria becoming more and more essential, many companies, possibly yours, are being passed over for the biggest and most profitable tenders. Why? They are often unable to produce that all-important ISO certificate. Increasingly, ISO certification is becoming a mandatory tendering qualification. But ISO certification can be perceived as complicated. The laborious, time-consuming attention it takes to get everything lined up is simply infuriating. Thankfully, we make this process straightforward, saving you time to add value to your business instead of climbing this wall of regulation alone. How about having a system in place ensuring that your certification remains current and relevant to your business instead of facing the disappointment of being brushed aside again because you are unable to tick all the right boxes? Instead of losing potential business worth thousands, one certificate could turn your situation around. ISO certification is no longer an option. For many businesses, it is essential. So what do? Take the long, hard journey to educate yourself and create systems in your business from scratch? Systems that may or may not tally up when the ISO audits are carried out? Or you can call in specialists who can make light work of certification, implementing only what you need. 30 days from now, yes, that's right, in just one short month, you could be completely prepared to be tested and to attain your ISO accreditation. Maybe your competitor is already stepping out on this journey, positioned to pull business right from under your nose. Don't let that happen. Stay in pole position and call ISO IMS today. Our watertight 10-step program has been responsible for companies both big and small now enjoying the benefits of being able to prove their standards with all of the necessary certificates that people expect them to produce. It is an amazingly straightforward process that will take you from where you are today to where you want to be. Our clients include everything from a small one-man band fire regulation and assessment company to large construction companies, prestigious solicitors, huge manufacturing companies, and even universities. All of our clients benefit from our exceptional service and expert knowledge of ISO procedures, as well as the opportunity to use our online systems that make maintaining proper procedures and documentation a breeze. And so can you. There's never been a better time to position your business for growth. Remember, in just 30 days and with the ISO IMS 10-step program, you will quickly be prepared to be tested for the ISO certification necessary to lift your business to the next level. Call us today on the number below for a no-obligation consultation or get in touch through our contact page, and let's work together to see the profits and the potential of your business soar.